Welcome back, Forex traders. Guys, I've really missed you guys very, very, very much for this short period of time that I haven't posted a video. I really miss you guys. Guys, it's not my fault. There is no trade. And when there's no trade, what do? We crossed our hands and shift from the chart. Go look for something else to do. Look for something else to put our attention on. Because if you dare force that trade, if you dare force that chart, if you dare force that pair, guys, you are going to burn your money. You are going to burn your money. I'm going to tell you the truth. So when there's no trade, I shift from my chart. I look for something else to do. I focus on my business. I talk to my family members. If you have a girl, you talk to your girl. So try to shift your attention from the chart. Start to stay away from your screen, because trust me, you're going to be tempted to execute a trade. And once you execute that trade, the next thing is tears. Listen, is tears, guys. I'm telling you the truth because I've been there. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time you are coming across my channel, congratulations to you. You are in the right place. You are in the right place. This channel is going to change your trading game for life. Guys, you all know that I'm a swing trader. I don't hide it. I'm a swing trader. And everyone that is watching this video, everyone that has been watching me right from day one, knows that swing trading is the best way to trade Forex. So if you're just joining me for the first time, start preparing to be a swing trader, because I can't leave you. I can't leave you. You must be a swing trader, because I don't like the way you waste money. I don't like the way you burn money. I don't like the way you blow your account. I want you to start making money in Forex. So guys, I think about to I thought about changing naming my this is my chart analysis that I do post on my YouTube channel. I thought about naming it, giving it turning it to an episode so you guys can easily go through it. I also created a playlist. If you check, go to my channel, like check up, you see videos, you see playlists. If you go to the playlist, you will see where I listed this chart analysis. Why do I do this? I did it to make it easy for those of you to find my chart analysis and learn from it. And the name I gave it is Chart Talk. So if we've done the first episode, we've done the second episode, we've done the third episode, we've done the fourth episode, and this is the fifth episode of Chart Talk. So Chart Talk is about analyzing the chart, breaking down the chart, teaching you how I trade, teaching you how to trade like the banks, how to trade, how to think like the banks, how to trade like the banks, think like the banks, and do things like where the banks do things, guys. Because those lower time frames you are trading won't save you. Those lower time frames you are trading won't give you money. It's going to break your account day after day, day after day. So, guys, this episode, it's going to be called Chart Talk episode, which is this is the fifth episode. We have done episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. So on episode 5, which you are watching now, on episode 5 of Chat Talk, we are going to be talking about this pair, NZDUSD. Guys, I saw a nice setup on NZD. NZD. That name is kind of hard. NZDUSD. I saw a trade set up there. I think yesterday or day before yesterday. So it played out. It has played out already, but it's still at the entry level. So I thought I need to share this with you guys. You guys know that I don't get keep anything and I don't hide anything from you guys, because I don't want to make the money alone. I want to make the money with you guys. I want to ball. I don't want to ball alone. I want to ball with you guys. So I decided to bring it up here, show you guys what I think about the trade, what made me to decide that this is a good setup to trade, guys. Like I'm saying, I'm already on this trade. I'm already on this trade already, and it's still at the entry level. So I said, let me bring it up here. Let's analyze together. I don't give signals. I show you how to fish. I don't give you fish. So I'm going to show you guys how I analyzed it, how I broke it down, and the things I checked, like reasons why I say that this is a good setup. So if you're just joining me, or if you've been watching my video before, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for YouTube to be able to push the video to other people to see it. Hit the subscribe. Hitting this subscribing to this channel is a little way of saying thank you to me. So guys, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe hit the subscribe button and like this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go, guys. Let's go to my chart without wasting much of the time. Let's switch to my chart. Let's show you. I want to show you guys what's popping. I want to show you guys what's popping. Let's make the money together. So, guys, let's switch to my chart. So, guys, welcome to my screen. Welcome to my screen. This NZDUSD. Guys, my chart is kind of looking somehow scattered. Yes. So let me remove all of this. Let's start analyzing it. Let's start breaking it down bit by bit. Let's start breaking it down bit by bit. Guys, there's something I want to tell some of you. Most of you want good results in Forex, but you are not ready to sacrifice what it takes to get a good result in Forex. I posted the last video I posted was before I made this video. The last video I posted was about my strategy, everything concerning my strategy. You understand? I was expecting like questions from you guys on where you're confused or not, but I didn't get any question from you guys, because if I did get questions, I'll know that okay, you guys are confused in this part. I'll explain more. And I noticed that most of you didn't watch the video to the end, because there's something I said at the end of the video, which it's only for those who are going to watch the video to the end are going to know what I said at the end of the video. Meanwhile, that aside, there's a trade we took on our Telegram channel, which is USD card. Guys, we executed that trade on our live stream on Telegram, and only one person attended the live stream. Only one person, just me and one person. We are just two, and we executed the trade together, and we exit the trade. It was a 1 to 2 weeks reward. I think 1 to 2 weeks reward. I think no 1 to 3 weeks reward on USD card. The trade went directly to our TP. Like no wasting of time. I executed it live with one person on the Telegram community. So there's one thing I like saying about my Telegram community. Try to join the community. It's not a signal group, because I can never post signal there. You won't see me posting signal. I won't do that. Instead, I will go live, tell you why I'm executing that trade, show you the reason why I'm executing that trade. Also teach you what you need to know about the trade. And so if you do follow me up, you will learn. You will learn without even paying me to teach you. If you do watch my YouTube video, ask questions on the comment section. Anywhere you're confused, ask questions. I'm going to reply to you. So guys, enough of that, because I'm very available to reply you and answer you. That's one thing with me. I'm very available. So if you are confused in any way about my strategy, I already broke down my strategy for you guys. But on that video, there's something I said at the end of the video. Only those who watch to the end are going to know what I said at the end of the video. So if you have not watched the video, I'm going to drop the link of the video in the description of this particular video, so you can also go and watch the video there. So enough of that. This is NZDUSD, my NZDUSD chart. You guys can see these these blue bars are my support and resistance, which are known as, I call them key levels. These bars you are seeing here, I call them key levels. You understand? These are the key levels. These are the most significant support and resistance on the chart, which when I'm in the lower time frame, I do, when markets come to them, I do just respect them. I know that this, you guys can see right from 2002, very far. So these are support and resistance on the higher time frame. So why do I do this? I draw them to know that these levels, I need to be careful with them when market gets to them. I need to be careful with them when market gets close to them, or when market is ranging around them. So I need to be very careful. That's why I do come on the monthly time frame to draw them. As you guys can see, this is my trend line from the monthly time frame. I drew a trend line on NZUSD. So what's the market structure of NZUSD saying? As I can see, this looks like a head and shoulder, which signifies a bearish market. which signifies the bearish market here. And not only a head and shoulder, market came here on the monthly time frame. Market has been testing the neckline of this head and shoulder. It has been unable to go above, but it's just going down. Anytime it comes to the neckline of this head and shoulder, those who watch my previous video will understand what I mean by neckline. You understand? It's about my strategy. I won't keep explaining this every time because I've made a video about that already. So you will go watch it and learn. So this neckline, market keep touching this neckline. Market is unable to go above the neckline. So you guys, like I say, every head and shoulder or every market reversal chart pattern has a neckline, and markets always come to retest that neckline and keep going to the direction of that chart pattern. So this a bearish chart pattern, like a head and shoulder. It shows the market is going down. You understand? So market has been testing you. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's know what the weekly time frame is saying. Let's know what the weekly time frame is saying. So market structure of the weekly time frame, immediate market structure of the weekly time frame. We can see a double top. If you don't know what a double top means, or if you don't know how to trade a double top, I already did a video about that. I'm going to drop the description, the link of the video in the description of this video. So this is a double top. This is a neckline of a double top. So a double top formed under a neckline of a head and shoulder on the monthly time frame. A double top on a weekly time frame formed under the neckline of a head and shoulder of the monthly time frame. So you guys can see how it moves. So I'm following market structure, I'm following the market trend, and this showing me that market is bearish. So all these confirmations I'm getting from the higher time frame, I already know that the trend is a bearish trend. So I need to, play along. I need to follow it. So this is the neckline of this double top. Market was unable to, retest and keep falling. Market just went up just to test this trend line here, right from here. I use this trend line right from here. So market just wanted to test this trend line here before it keeps going down. So let's go to the daily time frame. If you watch my video and listen, watch my video regularly, you will understand my strategy. My strategy is not hard. Like I said, it's not hard, but you need to watch that video I talked about my strategy. I break everything down about my strategy here. You need to just go there. It's just like me giving out what I know about Forex for free. I just give it on that video for you guys, just for the love I have for you guys. So you guys can see on the daily time frame, and see where the market came to, touch this trend line. So as I saw this, immediately my brain triggered that this market is about to go down. This is a bearish trend, a bearish setup formed in a bearish trend. So what did I do, guys? I said, okay, let's see what's going to happen. I said, okay, I drew my trend line here, right from here to the upside. And I noticed that markets have already broken the trend line. So guys, if those who watch my previous video about my strategy, you understand what I mean by you should know my trend line break of trend line strategy. What I used to trade trend line. You understand my break of trend line strategy. It's on that video. I drop it on that video. So if you are interested to learn, you can go and watch it. So this is my trend line strategy. How I trade I trade the bearish movement with my trend line strategy. So I saw markets have already broken the trend line. Not just it have broken the trend line, it came and retested the trend line and give a bearish engulfing candle. Guys, this is an extra confirmation. It didn't just break it, it retested it. So I was like, this market is already ready. This market is already ready. So guys, I brought out my position size calculator or something. What did I call it? I always forget the name of this too, but I use it regularly. So I brought it out. I had to know what I'm going for, know what I'm risking my money for. Does it worth it? Does it worth it? I drew it and I was seeing, a good risk to reward, which was 2.21 to 2.27. It was a good risk reward. If you are to mix $100 on this trade, you should be expecting to get a $227 return on investment. If you are to mix a $1,000 on this trade, you are to get a 2,270 return on investment on this trade alone. So guys, I do it and I like this was massive. This was massive. Like this was massive. I need to enter this trade. So I executed this trade immediately. I saw the trade and I said I need to share it with you guys. So guys, what are my reasons? First of all, you can see from the monthly time frame. Now I'm teaching you guys. I'm not just showing you guys the trade I took or telling you guys to take the trade. I'm teaching you guys why I took this trade. You guys can see this head and shoulder. You see the fact that the market is bearish. That was the first confirmation. Then on the weekly time frame, we spotted a double top. Second confirmation under the neckline of the first chart pattern we saw on the monthly time frame, which is the head and shoulder. Second confirmation is this on the weekly time frame. Then we came on the daily time frame. We got two confirmation on the daily time frame. Let me show you guys the first confirmation. This is the first confirmation. This is a trend line. Market broke it, came and retested, and it's going down, making it the third confirmation. Then we now come on the daily time frame again, which is this one, this confirmation, which may be the fourth confirmation. So guys, this is how I count it when I'm entering a trade. I count the reasons why I'm executing that trade. This made it the final confirmation with 4 time frames. Also on the 4-hour, because 4 time frames. I'll show you guys the reason why the 4-hour, the another confirmation I got on the 4-hour. So 4 time frames. Monthly time frame told me that the market is bearish. Weekly time frame gave me a signal that the market is bearish. Daily time frame also gave me a signal that the market is bearish. Then the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame also gave me a signal by breaking and retesting the trend line. You guys can clearly see it here, which is the 5th confirmation on just one trade. Right from the monthly time frame, I've been getting a bearish confirmation down to the 4-hour time frame. I don't just execute trade. I execute trades for a reason, not for execution's sake. You guys can see the last confirmation, which was the 5th confirmation. We retested it. I was like, I counted all these confirmations. I was like, yes. Even though I lose on this trade, I know that I followed my rules. I didn't just jump on the trade. But I'm 80% sure that with all these confirmations, I'm 80% sure that this trade is going to go my way. That's how you reason as a trader. This is how you should trade as a trader. You're not a gambler. You should trade with reasons. You should trade with confirmations. You should trade that this is why I'm executing this trade. This is why I'm trading. This is why I'm holding this trade. This is why I'm holding this trade. Sorry guys, I have to close it down. This is why I'm holding this trade. You understand? So guys, this is where the stop loss, I kept my stop loss right above here. I kept my stop loss right above here. You understand? I do keep my stop loss right at like 10 pips away from the most highest point of the setups. So I keep my stop loss above it. Then my first take profit of this trade should be here. 0.548 54868. This should be my first take profit on this trade. So if you want to execute this trade, you are free to execute it now. This is one of the reasons why I told most of you to subscribe to this channel. because when I post a video, if you don't watch that video at that time, the trade may just go its way. You understand? So if you are lucky to watch this video early as I posted it, you can still jump on this trade and make your money. You can still jump on this trade and make your money. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys, on NZDUSD.